Sex work and tech tarot cards.
Biometric surveillance.
Biometric surveillance is a practice based on collecting and analyzing biometric data, fingerprints, voice, facial or gait recognition and iris detection, to monitor, identify, and classify individuals. Threats. Biometric surveillance exposes sex workers, exacerbating the discrimination and criminalization. Biometric data can be misused or exploited, leading to breaches of privacy. Sex workers will be reluctant to access essential services such as healthcare, counseling, or legal aid if they fear that their biometric data could be used against them or shared with authorities. Resistance. Supporting legal advocacy efforts to challenge the use of biometric surveillance against sex workers. Advocate for policies that protect sex workers' rights to privacy, lobbying policymakers, participating in public consultations, and raising awareness about the harms of biometric surveillance.
Download printable cards at eswalliance.org/tarot_cards.